Connecting Mailchimp with WPForms allows you to automatically add form submissions to your Mailchimp email lists. Here's how to integrate them. Install WPForms and Mailchimp add-on. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New, search for WPForms and install the plugin. After installing WPForms, go to WPForms Add-ons. Find and install the Mailchimp add-on. Connect WPForms to Mailchimp. Once the Mailchimp add-on is installed, go to WPForms Settings. Click on the Integrations tab and locate Mailchimp. Click Add New Account to connect WPForms to Mailchimp. You will be prompted to enter your Mailchimp API key. To get the API key, log into your Mailchimp account and go to Account, Extras, API Keys. Generate a new key and copy it. Paste the key into the WPForms settings and click Connect. Add Mailchimp to a form. Now go to WPForms, Add New and create a new form. In the form builder, add the Mailchimp integration. Choose the Mailchimp list you want to add subscribers to. Customize the settings and save the form.